Hello guys, good day. I'm Marnie Narca, one of the promoter here in Huawei Concept Store SM Cebu. I would like to introduce sa inyo guys yung bagong Huawei product na malapit na i-launch ni Huawei, which is ang ating Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Ang ating Huawei Mate 50 Pro guys ay may dalawa po siyang variant. So, meron tayong ordinary at saka vegan leather design. Ito po yung vegan leather design guys. Meron din po tayong 3 key selling point, yung ultra aperture image camera, durable Conlon glass, and MUI 13. So yung first KSP is yung ultra aperture image camera, which is mas maganda ang ating camera ng Mate 50 Pro guys dahil ang photos na kuha dito ay similar siya to SLR camera, where you can take professional portrait shots with clear details. So, maganda din siya guys kasi meron siyang wider aperture that allows you to take clear photos in daylight or in low light scenario. So, mas maganda talaga yung kuha ng camera natin. And the second KSP guys is yung durable Conlon glass. So, ano bang meron sa Conlon glass guys? So, ang nakaganda po ng Conlon glass guys ay kahit accidentally yung pong mahulog yung phone mo ay sobrang safe po talaga siya. So, hindi siya madaling mabasag. At saka naka IP68 rate water resistant na din siya guys. So, kahit mabasa yung phone mo ay safety pa rin siya. And so, the third KSP guys is yung MUI 13. So, ano yung meron sa MUI 13 guys? So, it can save your storage guys because it has super storage that compress files or applications. So, makakasave ka ng up to 20 gig storage space. So, meron na din siyang super hub functions that lets you save the time in making an email or memo content using text or pictures from various websites. So, meron din siyang privacy and security center to protect the information on your device like a personal guide. We have 3 available colors for this unit guys. We have silver, black, and orange. So, the orange color is the vegan leather variant. So, sana guys, magustuhan nyo yung video ko. If you want to buy, just visit us here at Huawei Concept Store SM Cebu. Thank you and God bless. Bye!